Yo, we should be live. Just gotta get everything set up real quick. Should take not too long. So I'm just gonna quickly head over to my stream. Send a little test message. Actually, wait. This password is to... All right.
Test.
We should be good. So let's put on some music as well. Hold on. Let's see how well stream can hear that. Okay, it's very loud for stream. Let's see. What can we do today? What I could do to keep y'all entertained, chat. First of all, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. You know, professional streaming here. But I think what I can do is I can add a little thing on the side. See, media source, local file. Let's see. Should be in here somewhere. Loop. Alright, tonight I'm going to be 100%ing wall surf for speedrun.com. Alright. Oh, crap. I do want to make sure the Konami code cheat isn't enabled, so up, down, down, left, right on the arrow pad or whatever on the keyboard, and then enter any level. Exit.
That seems good.
There we go. Okay.
That'll keep chat entertained, I guess.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Too many glitches. I swear. Why is my game so glitchy? Patch these.
We're gonna get the object. We're gonna run. Let's just make a public void. Sorry about that.
Pretty sure what I think, in order to 100% it, I do need to put that up in a future update just due to movement changes being implemented. There we go. There you go. I got it that time. Alright.
Let's just say public
Good time.
game object duplicate. Oh no, probably not the most efficient way to do it, but I'm just gonna say duplicate equals object. We're gonna instantiate duplicate.
This is the hardest one I think in the entire game.
Dot mission equals new vector 3. We're gonna put it at nice 0, negative 9,000.
Like, I am not even kidding when I say in the entire
0.
game. Because I developed this game, I know. But I did collect it fairly easily just because I'm based. The simple fact that I am based.
I'm pretty sure this
allowed me to
camera.
so quickly.
Yo, what's up? Oh, yeah, this camera. Not that camera. This camera. It's placed at negative 8971. Okay. So what I can do is set that all the way down there. And then basically take a picture of it and send it over to this area by copying some of my code. Of course, we're gonna need to buffer it a little bit.
Oh, what's up, Silverfish?
Wait a minute.
Just for the speedrun.com moderators, just for context, I do have a second monitor, and on that I am running a live stream. I figured it'd be cool to live stream this as well. That's
Where is it? Over here.
I can't look at chat that often.
Can go
I'm already
ahead
almost at
and
the 5-minute mark.
that in there so we can start our coroutine. What are we doing here again?
So it's fun.
Okay.
I can guarantee this might take the most time. Oh wait, never mind. Well, it doesn't matter anymore because I can just.
Okay, True.
All right.
Like texture. Is it texture 2D? Yeah, it is texture. Okay. Then there's a function I need to copy over.
Someone is definitely gonna be able to speedrun this faster than me. This is just like a trial run, I guess you could call it.
All right.
I know I can get that at some point, but
So yeah, I can
I'm
probably
gonna
just
play it
do-
safe. I know there's gonna be someone out there. I'm probably gonna be able to get it, but so I just really want to play it safe. This is a 100% run. Like, I'll have time to do that, just not now. Oh, Sewerfish has left the stream. One viewer, and that'd be me.
I think this might work.
Lock in.
You know what? You know what I could do to make things a bit funner?
Correct.
Okay, I'm gonna go say in the Discord, I'm live RN. Okay, spelled that horribly. Probably should I ping at everyone? Probably not.
Actually check something real quick. Make sure there isn't anything back in the original route that I missed.
Invite link, edit invite link, never
It doesn't look like it. Alright.
generate link, copy. And I'm just gonna paste this in chat.
Discord period GG/ZXKJ7CMNZS.
Alright, so now we got our wall surf Discord link, and I'm literally just gonna hop in general and see what happens. Alright, let's see.
Troll tree.
What object is it that I'm controlling again?
Speedrun.
Okay, so we
I'm
got.
out there right now.
Okay, so we
not
gotta
it,
go to our
but
view.
It is a speedrun, so
View and then image. Okay. We're gonna add another directory.
it's probably the first time
I
I've
think.
sat down in 100% of this game in one session.
Oh crap, I can't even speak. I need voice meter. Hold up,
I
chat.
know I can get this bounce. This is
Alright,
possible.
testing mic, testing mic, testing mic. Okay, we're
It
good.
should be. I don't know if the latest physics update broke it or not, but it should be possible for
Alright,
sure.
so I'm thinking we're just navigate.
There we go.
Yep.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah, I get it, I get it. You want me to buy your software, but I don't care.
Almost done. Around the last two levels, chat. By chat, I mean no one, because because there's literally no one watching this.
You.
Shit. Yeah, I don't think I included any.
Alright, now we're gonna go get the image, and now we're just gonna do
Let's go.
get component raw.
I don't know what time that
Image.
was. I'm literally just gonna check back the stream and
Dot
see.
texture
12, 10, 13,
equals texture.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. Alright, 10, 23, 43. That's the time. That's the time. 10, 23, 43.
Oh wait, we actually
Alright,
got
tonight I'm gonna be 100%ing wall surf for speedrun.com.
gotta do this.
Alright. Oh crap. I do want to make sure the Konami code cheat isn't enabled, so up,
And then we
down,
can
down,
go ahead
left, right,
and
left, right
do
on the arrow
destroy
pad or
that
whatever
object.
on the keyboard, and then enter any level. Exit.
Because we're not gonna be keeping
There
it
we go.
forever.
Okay.
Alright, now let's see if it works. Let's see if it works, chat. Hypothetically, it should be showing up over
Alright.
here.
3, 2, 1, go.
You can see it already works too well. That's not supposed to happen. How did that function even trigger again? Because the only way it's supposed to trigger is by the free cam.
Too many glitches. I swear. Why is my game so glitchy?
How good's the music volume for y'all? I think it's okay.
Patch these.
I still want to test. Oh, what the heck? I think I see what's happening. It's only when I hover over it. Hold on, I got a ping.
Pretty sure what I think, in order to 100% it, I do need to
I
update
might need
this
to
to
answer
be
this
able
real
to
quick,
change
chat,
state
because this is
implemented.
from a very important person, so, you know.
There we go. There we go. I got it that time. Alright. Making good time, I think. Good. This is the hardest one, I think, in the entire game to collect. Like, I am not even kidding when I say in the entire game. Because I developed this game, I know. But I did collect it fairly easily just because I'm based.
Alright.
Simple fact that I am based allows.
That response is done, so I guess I'll check back in a bit and see what's going on. But yeah, as you can see, true. Again, I probably can't play that for copyright reasons, but you know, because I'm trying to stay copyright free. But I know for a fact that is copyrighted. Oh, well, here's the issue. See, it's formatted oddly. That's literally just what happens when it's formatted weird.
Oh, what's up, Silverfish?
You gotta have the brackets, or whatever they're called. Not brackets, braces. Alright, let's see what happens.
Just for the speedrun.com moderators.
Hey,
just for
that
context,
seems to
I
work.
do have
Hold
a
on.
second monitor, and on that
Then what
I
if
am
we
running,
spawn a cloud
live
over
stream.
here?
We
Then
can
select the
live
cloud.
stream this as well.
Alright, so then it just
That's
selects
recording.
part of it. Okay. So then we need to make the select.
Okay, well, can you play something you made in FL?
You know, I can play a demo that might be released at some point.
Can't look at chat.
I'll
that often. I'm already almost
I'll
at the
do that
5
for
minute
you.
mark.
Let me play something that I might be releasing. This one actually has vocals. I don't know if they're too good, but I know they're better than probably some of my other attempts.
On. I can guarantee this might take them this time. Oh wait, never mind. Well, it doesn't matter anymore because I can just.
Oh crap! Can y'all hear Media Source 3? Crap.
Alright.
Y'all probably aren't supposed to hear that.
Like dubstep and drum and bass.
Kinda. Hold on. Y'all are literally not supposed to hear Media Source 3. My bad. Anyways, that's fixed. We need to do more things when on selected that, because we also need to. Oh, there's the vocals.
And when was the last time you had a beer?
I don't think I've had one yet, unfortunately. Use Text Mesh Pro for some of this.
Was about a good time in the back at Caves.
I mean, I don't know what goes on at the back of Cane's, but I mean, it must be, I don't know, it must be good. Because, you know, their chicken's pretty good, so. Well, that's that for you. I guess I can do another demo. It's more of a mashup, honestly, but I'll play it anyways. It's kind of unfinished. Wait, this is the very unfinished version. Hold on, let me pull out the more finished version. Hold up. Actually, wait. I don't know if it'll still count as copyright, so I'm gonna actually skip it for the time being. Just in case, cause you can like never be too sure. So I'm gonna go back to this music made by one of my friends. I don't
love the
care.
sea sauce is in the back. It is a party. Let's go.
Yep, saucy sauces. AVG, I don't like you. But anyways, gonna play more of that Jolteria music because I know that's probably because like I know the guy, so even if it did happen to copyright me, I can literally just ask him, hey, can you remove that? So C and unselected is from what? Alright, perfect. So we can go into idiot sometimes. Do that. Dot.
Gao, gao.
Clearly did not read all that. Don't know why, but I am reading it now, so if that means anything. Let's see what else we can do. So directory.get item yet again for my function that I made. We're gonna get the POS, the POS position. Gonna do TMP underscore text. Alright. Component TMP underscore text. Dot text equals obj dot transform dot position dot x. Actually, we're not completely done. Because we need to first of all do.
Sniper is sus and can DJ better than the sussy boy.
I mean, hey, I'm not even DJing. I'm just playing this from a playlist. Oh. Okay, so then that would hypothetically do that, but I actually forgot something. Because we have another directory. Alright, so now we can just do Y, Z, Y, Z, and that should basically get all of the positions of this and set it on the display on the right. Then we can just copy this entire thing, basically.
Mass and subwoofers in your house. And on the boat with beer.
Maybe. But not at the moment because I gotta lock in. Now we gotta do our rotation values. Which is actually Euler angles because I hate rotation. And Euler angles is much easier to read. Alright, let's see if this works. So now when I click it, all these should be set to a value. So let's
No
just
lock in edge ties nor pass.
oh my gosh. I will lock in later, but well, I'm locking in now, but okay. You know what? Alright, we're getting an error for line 41. Hold up. We got ping chat. Someone saying nice stream. Let's go. The VC is open, by the way, guys. If y'all want to connect and be on stream, you know, if y'all say any words that might make YouTube mad at me, though, I probably will have to end the stream and delete the VOD and start over. But I mean, I have a small community, so and only the real ones will be here, you know. Hey, we're up to 4 viewers. Let's go. It's just small streamer life, you know. So, let's see, we got directory. Got positions. Oh wait, it tells us what character as well. 62, okay, that helps a lot. 77. That's odd.
I have the real DJ vibe when this is your music, I bet.
It isn't. I can show you the playlist. But yeah, that's the playlist.
Stream.
Thank you. Okay, I just got a very concerning DM that says, say sub to Crunchy. I'm not going to reveal what the rest of that DM says, but that's very interesting. Oh, that's why. I'm an idiot. Okay, it's.
I will give you $1,000,000 in cash now.
Okay. Sure.
You are so famous.
I'm not. Let's see. Input field. I think that'll work. Seems to work. Alright, let's see. Hey, that works. Let's go. This is actually looking like a real level editor now. Now that I can like see everything. Oh, we can also set
I
the.
will buy you a car and you should do a car Stern Plaza. I will pay you.
As much as I want to do that, I have actual data limits now, so you know, I don't want to just do all that, but also that is a very good way to get doxed as well, so. Add fish to game. You know what? I'll add fish to the game maybe at some point. I don't know. But I definitely can't right now because I really gotta lock in on making this level editor. Because a lot of people have been asking for it, so you know, I gotta give back to the community and just lock in on this level editor. Get item. Label. Component tmp underscore text dot text equals obj dot transfer dot name. All right, this should work.
You got to show your house and your Chase and Rose car and Melon blast the subs and I will pay you to clean my room.
I'm good. I'm sure your room's already clean enough. Okay, so that actually works now at the top thing. It's pretty nice. Now we gotta make it set the type as well though. Because we gotta make it register as a cloud. So that's a cloud. So we can see here in the scene item or object, all these are tagged as clouds, so.
You got to show your house and your Chase and Rose car and Melon blast the subs and I will pay you to clean my room.
I'm good.
I will pay you to clean my room.
I know, but I ain't got time for none of that anymore. So we can hypothetically just go ahead and get the type. The heck? You know, I'm not even gonna be concerned what the video is doing in the corner, man. It's on a loop. It doesn't matter. Gonna get the type. It's called that. Yes. And then let's see. Gonna add a quick directory. And basically all I'm gonna do is put the drop down in it. I'm just gonna call it type again. Alright.
Well, what happens if you want Zaxby's and all of the beer you want? I will pay you a house. What happens if you want Zaxby's and all of the beer you want? I will pay you a house.
I know. I'm just saying though, cause I have way too much stuff going on in my life for that. Okay, how the heck do I even change this from a script? How do I change what's selected in the dropdown? Oh. Interesting. You know what? I feel like this is a Google question.
What about your mom and dad? Are they rich?
Bro. Yes, I still got stuff to do though. TMP drop down. Wait, could I just edit the value? Hold on. Okay. Now I got something.
What's up, Bad Petty?
Oh my gosh.
Bad Petty. Bad Petty. Bad Petty. Bad Petty.
I don't know what you are referring to because I already forgot because my head is locked in. TMP underscore drop down dot value.
A J Petty, not Tom Petty. A J Petty, not Tom Petty, not Tom Petty.
Transform dot what? Tag. Alright, how many types are there again? Oh, this is this horror one.
you and yearning together to our lives in my place. Our ethnicity is disproved. Everything will be go right as long as we focus on the light, cause I know.
One, two, three, four, five. Okay. All right. Type. So we got bouncy, kill, wall. Oh wait, I can't say that on YouTube, can I? Oh well. I feel like they'll understand the context. Hopefully. Oh wait, I can say in Minecraft though. Yeah, in Minecraft. And just to make sure, I'm gonna real quick check the tag. Yeah, okay. Bounce that wall. Two, three. Assuming air, then cloud. Yep. Alright. So now it should be able to guess the type properly. For most things, anyways. Hey, let's go. Wait, is that normal? Hold on. Now I gotta know. That is default. Okay. There ain't no way. Ain't no way everything's registering as a cloud now. So I know that for sure ain't true. Hold on, chat. Oh, that's what it's... Okay. Then what happens if we place a goal in here? Okay, so it just doesn't change. What, need to add a new type to the dropdown? So now we should have that type loaded. Now what I wanted to do is I want to be able to select the parent of the object. And just have it work unless the parent happens to be this scene object right here, which encompasses basically the entire scene. I think I'll work on that and then I'll call it quits, maybe make a YouTube short, I don't know, depending on if I feel like it. Oh. I mean, true, you kind of are my one viewer, because I have my stream pulled up on my second monitor. So yeah. So literally I just gotta get this wired up, I think, and then I think I'm gonna call it quits for the stream. But I just want to make it so that we can select the parent object of this of some of the objects. Public void select. That's not what I said, but whatever. Okay. Now we're just gonna quickly wire it up.
See.
It is a bit buggy as well still, but select. What can I do on select? Thinking maybe. Does this have the object stored anywhere though? Because I'm pretty sure, right, if we go into the positions. No, not positions. If we go into this, we can see the duplicate anyways. Hold on, chat. I would, but not on stream because I know some of the people in there can be a bit crazy. So I'll probably do that off stream in a bit after I finish up this function. Okay, so when we select something, right? Okay, so it's gonna... No, we can probably do that. We can probably work with this. But you know what? I think it's faster to have this script be in here, actually, and trigger it in there. Yeah, honestly, still don't trust y'all. I'm sorry, but like, just in case, you know, can never be too safe on YouTube. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, so now we can easily access our stuff. Oh. Yeah, I mean, it's not a personal thing. It's just like, you know, but I will join afterwards, trust me. It's just I wanna really be safe because like I have this thing. Because I don't want to send Google more of my ID, even though they probably already have it. But like, there's this thing where you get like access to stuff in your channel, but you have to like prove yourself worthy and whatever. And like, they'd probably like reject me, and I'd have to wait another 2 months. So like, just to be safe, you know what I mean? But if it wasn't for that, then I probably wouldn't care as much. Get component, unselected, duplicate. So we're gonna get that object. Oh wait. Dot transform. Dot parent. If it isn't null. And this dot transform dot parent dot name exclamation point equals scene. Component unselected dot dot transform dot parent dot game object. Alright, that should work. That should select the game object's parent. I'm not sure how well this is gonna work, but I need to get something that's multi-object like Collab 3. We're just gonna click one of those. Gonna select parent. Oh my gosh, how did that work flawlessly? And then you can't select the parent any further. Oh my gosh. That is so nice. Holy crap. Yes. That just works. Nothing ever works like this. Holy crap. Okay. Well, now that I got that done, I'm confidently saying that I am ending stream. Have a great night, y'all, and take care.